Whoever declared artists don't make money, you're dead wrong in 2021. Cryptocurrencies have flipped the art world over on its head. I mean, seriously, what rock have I been living under? Beeple's NFT digital artwork sold for a puny $6.6 million ahead of the viral Christie's auction. That's sarcasm for those who can't detect it. What the f is NFT and how can I make money off this?
Stay tuned for more.
I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. I could never be you.
What's up, Team Unicorn? I'm Sean McMurray, and this is Analytical Overdrive's
Investing Unicorn.
Today we are talking about NFTs and the upcoming Beeple's NFT art auction at Christie's. The world is changing, folks, and I love to see the progress, but what does this mean for the everyday investor? Here's what we'll talk about. 1. What is an NFT from a high-level perspective? 2. Who is Beeple and Christie's auction house? Why is this a big deal? 3. How do I, the beginner investor, use this information to make money? All right, NFT stands for non-fungible token. I know. Give me a second, I'm getting to it. In the case of digital art, an NFT is a digital token that is inextricably tied to the artwork using blockchain technology and includes important details regarding the provenance and authenticity of the artwork in a way that is unforgeable. In simple terms, I see it like owning the masters for a song. Despite there being numerous copies of that song, you own the original recording and you have the proof to back it up. Who is Beeple and Christie's auction house? We will start off by saying he is a f***ing millionaire. He literally made millions selling his digital art that you can right-click save onto your computer from Instagram. Yeah, it's mind-boggling, at least at first take. Remember, it's more like owning the masters for a song. It's a really big deal. Beeple is a digital artist who has made a name for himself with his bizarre, hilarious, disturbing, and sometimes grotesque images that pokes fun at the way we live. To be honest with you, it's pretty amazing. This guy's talented on a whole nother level. Look at this. At least talent-wise, it's no surprise that Beeple has caught the interest of Christie's auction house. What is surprising is Christie's interest in digital art and cryptocurrency. Christie's auction house was founded in 1766 and has had a tradition of handling many historic sales. Madame du Barry's jewels to the Salvator Mundi, a painting credited to Leonardo da Vinci. But when you think about art, it is often meant to push the limits of reality, to stretch the imagination. So it's actually not surprising at all. This auction will mark two industry firsts. Christie's will be the first major auction house to offer a purely digital work with a unique NFT and to accept cryptocurrencies. In this case, Ether, in addition to standard forms of payment.
Whoop-de-doo! What does it all mean, Basil?
With a lot of the uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrencies, this auction by a prestigious art auction house further legitimizes cryptocurrencies and its underlying blockchain technology. One of the biggest hurdles for cryptos has always been mass adoption. The fact that we are using this technology to authenticate the legitimacy of an artwork as well as a form of payment speaks volumes. Now to what you all came here for. As a beginner investor, how do I make money from this information? 1. Selling your artwork, photographs, music. 2. Being a collector. The question was from an investing perspective, but if you are artistically inclined, you now have an avenue to sell digitally authenticated work, whether it's music, photographs, or artwork. Again, think selling your masters. There are companies out there that will walk you through the process, but that's not in scope for this video. 2. Becoming a collector is another avenue for making money in this sector. Don't shoot me for this, but certain CryptoKitties, one of the first NFTs, are selling for $300,000 a piece, while certain cyberpunks are selling for over $1 million. There's also something called NBA Top Shot. You now have the ability to own basketball's greatest moments. For example, Someone just bought a LeBron moment, which was a digital clip of a hang gliding, one-handed dunk during the 2019 Western Conference Finals for $208,000. Yes, you heard that right. It's so popular right now, they're sold out of featured packs. The only way to purchase any moments is through the marketplace from other sellers, which contains numerous other moments that are sitting in the six-figure range. I grew up collecting comic books and sports and superhero cards, so this is almost the new version of that. It's something I may play around with. But what do I know? I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and seek guidance from a licensed professional. Well, enough horsing around, let's get straight to the point. The whole point of this video was to discuss how NFTs and blockchain technology is being used to make Beeple an artload amount of money, explain to you who Beeple and Christie's auction house is and why this is a big deal for cryptocurrencies, and lastly, to show you as a beginner investor how you can make money with this information. Let me know in the comments below if you have invested into CryptoKitties, Cyberpunks, NBA Top Shots, or even Beeple's artwork. I'd love to hear your take on it. If you found this beneficial, the easiest and best thing you can do is like the video, and if you wanted to be super stellar, don't forget to superscribe. Yes, superscribe, which means subscribe and hit that notification bell so you ensure you get notifications for all the latest videos. If you aren't investing yet and looking to jump in, I've included my Robinhood referral link in the description. If you decide to join and fund your account, you and I both get free stock. Signing out, Team Unicorn, I'm Sean McMurray, and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive.
Investing Unicorn.